it's Julia from Violin Inspiration, and today we are going to learn can on the violin. Below this video you can download everything you need, the sheet music of the scale that I recommend to practice as a warm-up to make sure that your fingers are in the right positions for this song, and also the backing track of the song. Before we get started, I'm really curious to hear about you, how your practice has been going. What is the hardest thing you are currently practicing? Please post that in the comments below. Okay, now it's time to get your violin, get tuned, and let's start practicing. Great job today. I'm really happy that you've practiced with me and so proud of you. So, how has it been going? Have you been playing along with me? If you managed to play it all the way until the end with the slow or the fast play along, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you find this lesson helpful, subscribe to my channel below. I upload new lessons every single week. And next week I have another great violin lesson lined up that I think you will love if you love this song. I also recommend to check out my playlist below the video with lots of fun songs you can learn on the violin on a beginner level. Happy practicing and see you in the next video. Bye bye! If you'd like a specific blueprint to get good at playing the violin, check out my online violin school, Julia's Violin Academy. It's a step-by-step learning system that comes with a daily practice plan, so you know exactly what to do every day to make continuous progress on your violin. But you don't have to take my word for it. The Academy comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can look through all the lessons, join our live sessions and see if it improves your playing. And if not, you will get a full refund, no questions asked. If you want to learn more, click the link in this video or the link below in the description. We've got hundreds of adults that improved their playing with Julia's Violin Academy and we'd love for you to do the same. Either way, I hope this video has helped you and I look forward to see you in the next one. Bye!